Guys, this is Boomboy. Wait 1 second, I just gotta do one quick thing.
Name the six night guard in FNAF 2.
Jeremy Fitzgerald. That was another trick question, wasn't it?
Okay, there. I tried turning the video in the background down. It's Doko. He's doing a live stream. Probably when I upload this, he's probably not going to be doing a live stream. But at this moment that I'm doing it right now, he is doing a live stream. But what I am doing today, is a speed build. Now what I'm going to do today, a Bionicle speed build by the title, you already knew this. But what I'm going to do today is something different. I'm going to be doing a fusion thing of two. Here, I'll get them right here. I'll get them right now. Here they are. These two characters in my World Robot Boxing thing. I don't know, I just wanted to make a name for them. I just really wanted to make a name for them. Well, there's this guy, the Hydra kind of thing, and then the lion, scorpion lion thing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put them together, and there's going to be a fusion. Two of them in one. So yeah, gotta get down there. And 3, 2, 1. Okay, look at that. This is amazing. I love this dude. I gave him 4 legs. I don't know why. I just think it looks better like that. Then he's got one of the heads from the Hydra, the tail of the lion, and like sharp hands, like grown into like one finger. Just, I like him. And now with those extra pieces, I am going to make whatever's left. I'm going to make another thing of what's left. So, 3, 2, 1. And kind of just smashed a bunch of pieces of it together. It's just random. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you would like to see next. And yeah, I'll see you all later.